About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action. What we can be.
Go for it or go home. Okay, bye-bye.
What's up, guys? Today we're going to the Bamboo, Oregon Museum. This place is located in the St. Joseph's Cathedral. I found out that they also have some sort of music festival going on. That's what we're doing today pretty much.
I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Baby Peepa is officially 4 months old. She actually turned 4 months yesterday. Let me show you guys a little rocker that we got her, okay? So how does it feel to be 4 months old, huh? That exciting, huh? She's excited, huh? Are you ready to show them your rocker? Let's do it. She had a little rash on her arm right there, but it was worse. We went to the pediatrician a couple days ago. They gave us some stuff for her, and her skin is clearing up really nice, so I'm so glad that we found this pediatrician. Okay, there it is. That's her new rocker right there. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Thing vibrates right there. She's got some toys to play with. How do you like it, baby? So cute. So that was what we got Peepa for her 4-month little birthday here. So they celebrate birthdays like every month here for the first year. Anyways, I wanted to let you guys know that Arlene and I, we finally started our couples workout program, and this is just something that we've been talking about for the longest time. Anyways, we just started actually this week, currently on day 3 of our 3-week yoga retreat, and I'm not gonna lie, I posted this on Facebook, but I cannot wait until the time I can honestly say that I love yoga, because right now it's just sucking like crazy. We don't have weights right now, but what I'm planning on doing is I'm gonna buy some Bowflex Select Techs. That's the type of weights that I use back home in Florida. This is where we're working out here. So this is, of course, not really good like cardio mats, but it's okay for yoga. It gets a little slippery, and then of course we just use my computer. We have a TV in the other room right there, but we just use our computer here and use my Beachbody On Demand. So if you guys aren't familiar with Beachbody On Demand, it's like a digital product. It's like a Netflix of fitness. There's like thousands of workouts. And I've been doing these workouts for 9+ years, you know, so that's why I actually became an online Beachbody coach as well. So not trying to sell you on anything, I just love the product. It's not even in the Philippines yet, but once it does come in the Philippines, it's gonna be awesome. So how was your first Spartan experience, guys?
It was pretty cool actually. I didn't expect like so many obstacles. Lots of people, very motivated people.
Would you do something like this?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I want to try it.
You want to try it?
Oh!
Depends how much it is.
Let's say $10,000.
I would go to poor countries and help them somehow.
That's what I'm talking about.
I would travel around, I guess. Use it for my travels. This is a black tea with condensed milk. So they mix it with condensed milk and then they kind of pour it in a long movement, so you get like the bubbles. And that's called te tare. Tare means pull, like a pulled tea. So dal should be not so spicy. Not so spicy. Fish curry should be a little spicy. And then this one, that's spicy, but it's spicy and sweet. That's interesting. I have no idea what it is. What?
This is a Lagalag certificate which you get when you buy it. This is the 600. So they only produce 6,000 pieces. This is 1694, 1694 now. So this is the 6th anniversary. So whenever they sign the declaration just before independence, so it's a photo of all the Sultan, how they signed the declaration during the time. So at the moment, it's the biggest road in the world.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is crazy.
Only 6,000 in Malaysia.
Filipinas.
Test this app, it's actually pretty fun.
Does it teach you how to play too, or what?
Yeah, this is what I'm doing. I'm learning to play guitar with this app.
What's the name of the app again?
Musician. It tells if it's wrong or right. You have like 10 minutes free every day. Of knowledge, rhythm, and lead. You actually have a guy teaching you.
We are at, whose house is this?
This is Uncle Rao's house. He's a doctor. He has a big property and he has some
You can see
cane.
it behind us right here. And so he has sugar cane back there, which you'll see. I'm gonna get footage of Ravi getting some sugar cane.
Oh, that is beauty.
That's how you do it.
That's a fresh sugar cane. Look at that. Splice it up for you if you want.
Let's do it. Nice.
Just smash that, you get a nice little juice out of this. For you. Alright, that's it.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of home. I need you on my side. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much.
So we are the Pasar Malam, that is translated called night market.
It's every Sunday, right? Every Sunday.
Well, every Sunday here, but all over Malaysia, in every different village or city, there's different days. So actually you can find night markets every day. You just have to find them.
Probably like 2 or 3 to 4 blocks. That's how long the distance.
And man, the taste around here is just...
Yeah, Bernie's getting something right now.
And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about.
Chinese temple here in Klang, Malaysia. First time being here. It's so amazing. Oh my gosh. On my way to the airport going back to Manila. It's been fun. Thanks for having me, Malaysia. These guys behind me, they were so nice to take me here, put up with how long I took to film this race. You guys can see the video soon. I'll post it on OCRTUBE.com.
And I swear that we got nothing to fear.
As we're getting ready to go to Taguig, we're gonna stay there for a couple nights. Tomorrow I'm gonna be filming this race called Forza. So Arlene and Penelope, they're coming along with me this time. Are you ready for the weekend? Are you ready to help Daddy film the Forza obstacle run? You guys ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Well, let's get it on. We finally made it to our hotel room. It's called Oyo. The price was amazing. We paid $27, I think $33 with all the taxes included for 2 nights. Damn! But let me just kind of show you around, okay? Of course, the bedroom area right here. Do you guys like it?
Yes.
Flat screen. This is like my workspace area right here. My drone. This is our breakfast area. And then our bathroom is right there. Shampoo, conditioner. It's a nice little touch. Yeah. This goes out to the balcony, and there's really not much to see here. What I like about the balcony area is because this actual hotel is located in a local barangay neighborhood. Let me just show you real quick. Yeah, so this is our outdoors. Oyo. Look at the wires right there. Hey, there's my girl right there. How do you like the hotel room, baby? We're gonna take a break over here, order some grab food in a little bit. Army Navy burger and burrito. Quesadilla? I got a steak burrito. Big, juicy, fat burrito. I just got back from the Forza obstacle run, sorting through all the footage and everything. This is pretty much what I'm doing right now. Taking all the footage from all my cameras and sorting out all my footage right here. I'm not gonna do all my work right now. Later on, we're gonna be going to SM Aura to grab a bite to eat, just hang out with the family. And yeah, this is just kind of like a mini vacation too at the same time I'm working. I'll attach the video that I did for the Forza obstacle run on the bottom of the video, okay? So make sure you guys check that out.